Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new review video again, and today it will be a review on the new Maybelline lifter glosses. Oh my god, it is gonna like fall off, but we are gonna have a review on this. So I'll give you all these swatches and I'll give you a quick review on these lip glosses. I've been actually waiting for these lip glosses to get in my hands. I mean, since the time it got released, but yeah, things get like released here late and they come like a little bit late on other websites. So anyways, now finally I have these and I'm gonna review it for you. So yeah, today's gonna be a quick lip gloss review for you guys. So yeah, here we are. So if you're new here to my channel, my name is Sharmeen. I do makeup related videos, tutorials, reviews. So if you want to and if you are interested to watch my videos, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I'm uploading a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the description. If you want, you can check it out. And without wasting time, let's get into the video. So we have these new Maybelline lifter glosses. So these, I just have like 5 shades. I really actually didn't get all the shades because I have so many lip glosses. Trust me, I really have a lot of lip glosses because I love a glossy lip. So I prefer to get really good lip glosses, and if they are good, I like buy all the shades if possible for me. But for today's review, I just got these 5 shades and they have really pretty shades. They have like clear one as well with beautiful like sparkly shimmers to it, and there is a bunch of like deeper tones as well. And I think there are like 8 or 10 or 12 shades, 8 to 12 shades. I'll quickly tell you all the things about the lip glosses. So I actually got just 5 shades. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly tell you all the things about these lip glosses, and I'm gonna link from where did I buy. Obviously I got it from Beauty Bay because not all the things like release here and some things like release too late, and these were like available on Beauty Bay. So as soon as I saw, I just grabbed like 5 shades. So I have these shades. So these are the 5 shades that I have, and there are like 2 types of textures. You have like one which is like not texture exactly, but there are like 2 finishes. One is like pure opaque finish with opaque colors, and there is one with like a bunch of shimmers and tiny sheens to it. So yeah, I'll quickly just tell you a few things about the lip glosses and then we will start with the lip swatches as well. So on Maybelline website it is available for $8.99, and from Beauty Bay I got it for around 45 dirhams 50 cents. So these will be like available on Lifestyle because Lifestyle and Centerpoint has like good deals, like buy to get one sometimes, so you can get like in good deals. And I got it in the full price. I didn't get in any offer, I didn't get any discount, so I got it in full price. So I got 5 shades and they are on their website. They are available in like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So on their website they are actually available in 15 shades, and on Beauty Bay they are available in only 8 shades. So I don't know, somehow not all the shades like release on every website. Most of the shades are like available on the actual website, or maybe if you are from US it might be available, all the shades might be available on ulta.com, so I'm not sure about that. So these are the Maybelline Lifter Gloss lip gloss makeup with hyaluronic acid. So now all the makeup products are like coming with hyaluronic acid, so that's good. So meet the Lifter Gloss, Maybelline New York's next level lip gloss. Lip gloss formula visibly smooths lip surface and enhances lip contour with high shine for hydrated, fuller looking lips, and it makes your lips look fuller, and it has like, it will make your lips like smooth. It has like high shine and it has like Excel Wand transforms lips in an easy one swipe application. 90% agree lips feel hydrated in a consumer test. It is available in full range of modern shades like pearl, ice, amber, topaz, crystal and more. Formulated with hyaluronic acid and apply it for hydrating, shiny, glossy shine and fuller look. So it will hydrate your lips because it has like hyaluronic acid, and then it will make your lips look fuller and it will give you like a fuller looking lip. And third, that the wand is like an XL size, similar to the Fenty Beauty one. So yeah, we actually have that. I mean, just a quick like review. So I'm just gonna start with the first one, which is this shade. This is like a beautiful like baby pink shade with like tiny shimmers to it. Not exactly glitter, but like tiny shimmers to it. This is the one which has like shimmers to it. And then we have one which is like pure opaque lip gloss. That is also like pretty beautiful. Firstly, we have the shade 003 Moon. Then we have the shade 004 Silk, which is like this pretty nudie pink color. And we have like a mauvey pink color with just slight like glitter or shimmers to it. You can see like golden, fine golden shimmers to it. And this is the shade 00 Pearl. Then this is like a brownie tone nude colors, and this is the shade 00 Amber. And lastly, we have the shade 009 Topaz, which is like a brown shade, like light brown shade with a bunch of shimmers to it. And this looks like very similar to the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow. These both actually look very similar to the shades, so we'll see that also as well. So we have like these 5 shades, and so quickly I'll give you first the hand swatches, and then we'll start with the lip swatches as well, and then my final thoughts. And this is actually like my first lip gloss from Maybelline. I have never tried any lip glosses. I don't think they have. I think they have like just one, and I never saw that in like here anywhere. This is like my actual first lip gloss from Maybelline, so I'm really excited because I love a really good lip gloss with is like shiny and makes your lips look like really good and juicy. So I'm really excited about that, and I prefer to just use lip glosses on its own, or just use a lip liner below and use a lip gloss, and you are good to go if you love a glossy lip. Not everybody loves a glossy lip, but I really love a good, nice, juicy lip and like really good lip glosses. So yeah, let's get into the hand swatches. So firstly, I'm gonna swatch the first shade, which is 003 Moon, and let's see what it smells like. So firstly, we have this one, which is like pretty big size, like according to them it is like the XL size, and it is like pretty good size. And maybe you don't need to like dip in a lot of times. You can just use like one swipe for applying it on all of your lips, so that's great. And you can see so pretty. I mean, this is like I'm not sure why my camera is like not focusing, but this is like pretty beautiful, really pretty color. So let's start with these swatches. So that's so pretty, like for everyday. So it is a like it's like a pretty beautiful color with like tiny shimmers to it, really pretty. Then we have the second shade, which is like this pinky shade, which is the shade Silk, and it smells actually really nice. Not exactly like vanilla, but it's like a biscuit smell. That is so pretty. I mean, look at the shine, and the opaqueness is also like really good. That is actually a very pretty shade, and it reminds me of the Dose of Colors lip glosses. I think made you blush or something like that. That's actually really pretty. Third, we have the shade Petal, and which is this like the mauvey pink color. This is like deeper than the other one, and this is not exactly like mauvey. It's like mauvey, but it has like corally undertone. Really pretty. The shine is really good. Then we have the fourth shade, which is Amber. This pretty brown tone shade, kind of messed up here. So that is also like really pretty. It looks similar to the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, the one which is like orangey color, the cream one. It looks similar to that. Then lastly, we have the shade 009 Topaz, and this has like a bunch of shimmers to it. That is also really pretty. Doesn't look as deep as the color in the bottle, but it's like pretty good, and the shades are actually really gorgeous. So these are the 5 shades. I mean, really pretty colors. So let's swatch a couple of Fenty Beauty lip glosses next to it and see how it goes. So I think for the first shade, I'm gonna swatch the shade Fussy next to it and see how it looks. So this has like a, I mean, this is like much more pinkier than the other one, so that doesn't actually match. So these are the swatches which I did. I mean, they look pretty, not exactly like similar, but this shade, which is the Fenty Beauty cream gloss in the shade Honey Waffles, this looks similar to the Maybelline 007 Amber. I mean, the Fenty Beauty one is a little bit darker, and the shade Cake Shake is a little bit similar to the shade Topaz. So yeah, really pretty actually. And the Dose of Colors lip gloss looks similar to the shade 004 Silk from the Maybelline one. So this looks similar to the second one. So yeah, we actually have that. Now quickly let's get into the lip swatches and then I'll give you my final thoughts about it. So let's go. That was all the swatches, and now I am actually wearing the shade 004 Silk. I really love this shade. It's actually so pretty. These shades, all the shades are like really good, but I think my favorite two shades, I mean, I really like really good pink nude, and not exactly like mauvey nude, but like pure like pink nude and like brownie tone nude, and these two are like my favorite. The shade 004 Silk, which I'm actually wearing, and the shade 00 Silk Amber. It looks similar to the Fenty Beauty Honey Waffles, but Honey Waffles is like deeper. This is not as deep as the Honey Waffles. That has like, I mean, this is not as deep as the Honey Waffles from Fenty Beauty, but the shade is actually really pretty. And if you are like similar to my tone or like deeper than my tone, it will actually look so pretty if you use like a deeper lip liner to line your lips and then use the lip gloss. It's actually pretty good. Now going on to all these shades, I really love these shades, but my two favorite is 004 and 007. These two, honestly, on my lips it looks like pretty similar. 003 Moon, 009 Topaz. I think if I have to use this, I need to use like a lip liner so it like shows up on my lips. I mean, the 003 looked very similar to my lip shade and it wasn't looking, I mean, it's actually pretty good and it's very shiny. All the lip glosses are very shiny. Even you can see how shiny this is. But I think I will have to use like a little bit like a deeper mauve shade and then use the shade. And even the shade 009 Topaz is pretty good shade, and it looks similar to the shade Fenty Glow from the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, the original one. This one, it looks very similar. It doesn't look similar in the bottles. The Fenty Beauty one looks a little bit deeper, but on the lips it looks pretty similar, and not even on your hands, on your lips it looks pretty similar. The shade 005 Petal is also very pretty, but you have to have like particular makeup to like this, or even if you don't have, I mean if you want like a nice bold color as a lip gloss, this will actually look pretty. Just with simple makeup it will actually look pretty, but with my outfit it didn't actually go well. The other shades really went well, and this shade is very pretty. I really love these. They are very comfortable, they don't feel anything on your lips, they smell amazing actually, and I think it plumps up your lips just a little bit because it gives you like a just slight tingling, not much. You don't really feel anything, but just slightly, and it is actually very comfortable, and it looks very similar to the Fenty Beauty ones, be it the cream one or the original one. These are similar to these, and the formula is very comfortable. And if you don't want to invest in the Fenty Beauty one because they are like pricey, you can invest in the Maybelline one because they are just for like $9, and in US you get like really good deals on makeup, so you can grab these. But I think I would actually recommend you guys these two shades, 004 and 007, and if you want like similar to the Fenty Glow one, go for the shade 009. These three shades are pretty beautiful, and if you just want like a clear one, you can go for the clear one. I couldn't actually get my hands because they were getting out of stock from Beauty Base very fast, so I couldn't get my hands on that. But if you like clear gloss with just like bunch of glitters or shimmers to it, go for the clear one. But otherwise 004, 007, 009, these would be my recommendations. But all the shades are pretty beautiful, and I really love these shades, and they are like really amazing. I'm not gonna buy the other shades because there are some like similar to each other, and there are like a deeper one, and I don't like really wear like deep tones of lip glosses, so this is like good enough for me, for my liking, so I'm not gonna buy more. But they are really good, and I love Maybelline as a brand. I was always biased towards Maybelline, but I mean not a big fan of their eyeshadow palettes. Really bad. I'm not sure about the recent releases, but never really liked the Maybelline eyeshadows. But mascaras are really good. Maybelline in general is a really good drugstore brand. I really love Maybelline, I don't know. So yeah, really love these, and they are amazing, and I would highly recommend you guys to get these because they are really good, and the price point is also really good. So if you don't want to buy like an expensive one, they have like different, oh my god, I really can't speak, but I mean they have like different finishes, like the shimmer ones and the pure plain like opaque typical ones. So yeah, and the one that I'm wearing, they have like the pigmentation is really good. For just one swipe, you don't need to like dip in twice to get the actual color of the lip gloss, so one swipe is good enough, and they are really pretty. And I mean these would look really pretty on all the skin tones. They have like deeper ones as well and much lighter ones as well, so yeah, I just keep like dropping it off, but they are really pretty. I would highly recommend you guys to get these. Really nice. So yeah, this was my review and suggestion. So yeah guys, this was actually all for today's video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe to my channel because it really helps me a lot. And yeah, follow me on Instagram as well, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.